Now we are going to see the factors affecting solubility, which is very important. So factors affecting solubility. Generally, there is a saying in physical chemistry that like dissolves like. Which means ionic or polar compound dissolves in so this is solute dissolves in polar solvent like water, because water is a substance which possesses high dielectric constant. The value of dielectric constant is 80. So highest amount of dielectric constant water is having. So as an example, we can say that common salt, which is a ionic compound, dissolves 100% in polar solvent like water. So this is a polar solute, this is a polar solvent. And similarly, non-polar or covalent molecules like iodine or alcohol, they are soluble in organic solvents like benzene.